If you're looking for a quick and easy way to manage your AI agent skills, then give me just a couple of minutes and I'll show you exactly what to do, and it's absolutely free. So there's this repository called ASM that I found, and it's basically, it stands for AI Skill Manager. And so this is basically an application that runs in your terminal that allows you to quickly and easily manage your AI agent skills across multiple IDEs, and you can do it individually, you can do it globally, with ease. It is super awesome. So if you go to this repository, and I'll share the link below, but click on Get Started in 30 seconds and grab this first command here. It's an npm global install, and you run that right here in your terminal. Takes just a second or two to do that, and from there, once it's done, just type ASM, and then you get your user interface here. Now, I don't have any skills installed right now because I wanted to kind of demo it. I'm going to hit Control C, get up out of there, and what's really cool about this is you can run commands like ASM install, then you have GitHub username skills. And so in this case, this is just a demo. I can install, you know, from all of the Anthropics official skills, right? So I go in the terminal and I paste this command, and then now it's going to ask me a series of questions to make life easy. So what IDEs do I want this to be in? So Claude Code, I don't use Codex. I don't use OpenClaw. I don't use Windsurf, Klein, Code. I don't use some of these. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the ones I don't use. I primarily use Claude Code, Cursor, and GitHub Copilot. Next question, global or project specific? For this demo, I'm going to do global. And then here are all the skills that are in this repo, so you can choose just the ones you want. Algorithmic art, maybe I want document writing, PDFs, PowerPoints, and skill creator. Then it's just basically just an overview of, hey, look, this is what you picked, this is what you're going to use, these might be high risk, whatever. Make your choice, yes or no. Boom, done. They're installed. They're installed for all those IDEs that I chose. Easy to manage. So now when I type ASM, I can see all the skills. And not only can I see all the skills, but they're super easy to uninstall. Say I don't need them anymore, or say maybe I installed them globally, but I want them to be project specific. Just go in here, hit the D key, yes, uninstall. I don't want PDF anymore. I don't want PowerPoint anymore. Whatever. And so you can easily clean up your skills from all. So pretty cool. It's 100% free. It's open source. I didn't develop it. But this guy he has come up with a pretty cool tool. Greatly appreciate it. So check it out, and feel free to like and subscribe if you want some more tips to help with your vibe coding adventures. Take it easy. See you in the next one.